Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we will be exploring nature through 5 important topics. Identity. This is where we describe exactly what species we are looking at, including its name and scientific classification. Then we'll talk about the location, where we discuss where the species is commonly found and where it is indigenous. Then we'll talk about the diet, where we explore what the species eats and how it survives in the wild. Fourthly, we'll talk about its role in nature, where we look at the importance of the species within the ecosystem and the role it plays in maintaining the balance in nature. And finally, we'll talk about fun facts or cultural beliefs, where we'll uncover fascinating facts, myths, or cultural stories connected to the species.
This is the Reed Cormorant, also known as the long-tailed cormorant. Its scientific name is Microcarbo africanus, a small but powerful fishing bird found across African waterways. Recognized by its dark feathers, long tail, and hooked bill, the Reed Cormorant is built for underwater hunting. Reed cormorants are widely found across Sub-Saharan Africa and Madagascar. They thrive near rivers, wetlands, lakes, and quiet coastlines. In South Africa, they are often seen resting near calm waters, drying their wings after a successful hunt. The Reed Cormorant is a master diver. It mainly feeds on small fish, using its webbed feet for propulsion. It dives beneath the surface with incredible precision and control. But fish are not the only thing on the menu. They may also feed on frogs, aquatic insects, and small aquatic creatures. Reed cormorants play an important role in balancing aquatic ecosystems. As fish predators, they help regulate fish populations and maintain balance within wetlands and freshwater systems. Their presence can also indicate healthy water environments. Here's a fascinating fact. In parts of Asia, cormorants were once trained by humans to help catch fish. Their incredible diving ability made them valuable fishing partners for centuries. Silent above the water, deadly beneath it, the Reed Cormorant remains one of Africa's most fascinating aquatic hunters.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's journey into nature. If you found this video informative or relaxing, please remember to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more wildlife and nature content. Thank you. See you in the next video.